How to install manpages for C standard library functions in Ubuntu? In my university, I can do such things as manstrillen, manstripy, manskip, manmsgctl, and a nice manual page appears. On my PC I get. Any help on how to get those documentation pages into my computer?
Install the manpages dev and manpages POSIX dev, thanks Christoph, packages. You should be able to find them in Synaptic, or type at the command line.
For Fedora, you can install it using yum.
You may find glibdoc package useful as well. From this URL contains the new C library reference manual in info and HTML format, as well as the manpages for libthread functions and the complete new C library changelog.
On a Ubuntu system they are in the packages.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.